Okay, so we're just doing a little demo of some software called PresentMon, which is available from Intel, um, which allows you to put to graph various parameters of your graphics card. And what we're showing here is whether or not we're CPU or GPU bound. Now it's interesting, we are seeing some slight variances in the CPU on this particular test, but generally if the frame time and the GPU busy are tracking, then you're pretty much GPU bound. And if everything's relative, yeah, so we're just seeing it transition into here. We've just switched to another screen. Wait till it starts loading again, or starts running. There's 3 sections to this test. When they're all tracking pretty much evenly, it's very much just GPU bound. And the third test in the timespy is actually a CPU bound one, and then you'll be able to see. So this is a very good example of it being very closely tracking on everything. So the CPU is providing the data, the GPU is rendering it as fast as it can. So there's absolutely no issues with CPU showing in this. And you can see on the task manager as well that we're not hitting 100% on any of the cores. When this one's finished, it'll go into the third test, which is a CPU bound test, and you'll be able to see how the graphs change when you've got a CPU bottleneck. So I'm just using this particular benchmark because it's got both GPU bound and CPU bound, so that you can see a distinct difference in the way it displays. So now you can see we've got these big, let's wait till that's gone. So we've got a big difference between, so we've got 35 milliseconds of CPU busy and only 2.9 roughly milliseconds of GPU busy, which is how you see. And if you look at the task manager, you can see that multiple cores, well, pretty much all the cores were maxed out at 100%. So you may, so this is obviously very multi-threaded, but in a single-threaded, you might just see, say, one of the CPUs flatlining, and the others might not be doing much at all, and just overall CPU usage may be only like 40% or something. But if you're getting one of them maxing out, it's a single-threaded process. That's just limiting the total or the throughput. Anyway, hope that was useful. I have actually customized slightly the graphs. What I did was I went and found the JSON file. It's preset1.json under it's under program files, Intel, PresentMon, and I think there's presets or something. And I just copied that to the directory where you can save custom stuff, and modified it by adding in the CPU busy, because the default for GPU doesn't have the CPU busy. And I also modified some of this other stuff just for my own interest. It's pretty easy to do. Anyway, hope that might have been useful. Yeah, thanks for watching.